No one comes close to Tesla when it comes to manufacturing modern and technological products that have not only helped the general public, but have as well made the modern world better with technology. Ranging from products like the Tesla bicycle, Tesla yacht, Tesla HVAC, and even the Tesla phone, one would not expect anything short of an amazing yet techy product from Tesla. Tesla has made modern technology much easier on the surface compared to how it's been back in the 1990s. It's, however, safe to say that Tesla has been winning the hearts of many with its critical depth of technological research and intelligent manufacturing of advanced technologies since the 2000s. One of the so many advanced concepts of Tesla open for discussion is the new Tesla House for Sustainable Living. No doubt, the Elon Musk-led company is bent on filling every part of our lives with an unusual but amazing touch of energy. How? Let's find out in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to Posh Future. In today's video, we'll be showing you the most talked about Tesla house that's worth a whopping sum of $15,000. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and bust the like button. Now, let's get you into the video. Recall that Elon Musk recently made a reusable space rocket that is capable of launching again. Thus, for a technophile like Elon, the world is certainly a tech laboratory to explore his brilliant tech ideas. Now, Elon Musk is venturing into the housing world, and it's a no-brainer why his decision is taking the center stage in media outlets. I mean, Elon always wants to do something new. To back up his intentions, Elon Musk released a statement saying that he was selling all his houses except one in June of 2020. Talking about Elon's homes, he had a Bel Air luxury home with 7 bedrooms for his boys, after which he bought a 3-bedroom initially belonging to Gene Wilder on the same block. Also, Elon Musk had a ranch house in the castle in the Bel Air area. Again, he owned a mainland house in Los Angeles and a boomerang-shaped house in Brentwood. All of these houses mentioned were in his real estate portfolio. Not forgetting to add, he had one at San Francisco Bay, close to the Tesla factory. Summing up all of Musk's homes, they all came to a total of $144 million. When asked why he wanted to sell those houses, he spoke about it being a minimalist move. Not so long ago, Elon announced that he'd be moving into a boxable house. That's enough reason for everyone to ask, why? However, while speaking on the Joe Rogan podcast, Elon answered. He started his reasons saying, "I think possessions kind of weigh you down, and they are kind of an attack vector." He further explained, "People say, hey, billionaire, you've got all this stuff. Well, now I don't have the stuff. What are we going to do?" Musk was indecisive about selling his home. According to his tweet, prior to the time of selling the house, he tweeted that the house had a special place in his heart. His tweet reads, "Decided to sell my last remaining house. Just needs to go to a large family who will live there. It's a special place." Elon's decision started when ProPublica, an independent newsroom report, cited people like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos of Amazon, and Warren Buffett of Hathaway Inc. for not paying income tax. This fueled Elon's decision to move to Texas, where there are no income taxes for the rich. To stay in Texas comfortably, Elon moved his prefabricated and constructed house to the SpaceX site in Texas and fixed it into a bachelor's apartment. It wasn't long before the energy-efficient home started gaining recognition. People started realizing, or maybe guessing, that Musk had bought one for himself. Then came the first Tesla house. The Tesla house is an extremely eco-friendly house for the general public, with a power source known as the Tesla Energy. What's Tesla Energy? Tesla Energy is a new set of batteries produced by Tesla that produces clean and renewable energy for your home. It as well allows you to take control of your energy use. For Tesla, the most economical option is Powerwall. All the energy that goes into a Tesla house is housed inside a power wall. All the energy is conserved in the power wall and can be used throughout the day and night. To control the energy that runs into the Tesla house through the power wall, Tesla created a special application. With this application, you can control the way in which energy flows inside and outside of your house. The Tesla house also features a configurator that allows you to calculate how the house can produce clean solar energy via the use of solar panels. Elon is much aware of the need to produce clean energy, which was the reason he devised a technology that would not only give humans the clean energy they deserve, but as well drive to an end the usage of dirty and harmful energy. The Tesla Powerwall is safe for both children and pets, as there are no naked wires or burning holes therein. You can keep your children and pets inside the Tesla house without having a panic attack over them coming in close contact with active wires or cables. The Powerwall system can be installed on the wall, and up to 10 installations can be placed together on the floor. And irrespective of where the power system is installed, it remains resistant to water and dust. No, the Tesla house isn't full of noises and hummings. In fact, the Tesla house works almost without noise, much quieter than the generator. The Tesla house power system also has a larger power pack. But this larger power pack is designed for commercial customers such as large organizations or cities who can use network storage systems to reduce cost while increasing aggregate resilience. For those who'd love to know, the starting price for all kinds of Tesla energy products is $3,500 per 10 kilowatts for power walls, and it increases dependent on the size and power. How much does a Tesla house cost? If you heard about Elon and Tesla, then I'm sure by now you know that these two are set to change the way we live. From having solar panels on every roof to having electric cars in every garage, Elon is certainly looking for a way to modify the Earth system with technology. The first model of the Tesla house has been unveiled in California, and it costs $15,000. It is made of unique parts which help to keep things within reach while still retaining the ultra-modern look. You never have to worry about space, as this Tesla house is well suited for both an apartment and a house. Your new home will be equipped with everything you need, from a shower to a bed and plenty of space for the kitchen. The primary specs for this house include a living room for your comfort, a bedroom for your relaxation, a kitchen area to prepare delicacies, and a shower for your convenience. What's there not to feel about this Tesla house again? In February 2022, Musk revealed at a Los Angeles event that the company has had a long time standing in the housing industry. He said the company has been producing products that a house needs. He, however, added that Tesla could add a house and make it complete with solar panels and battery storage technology that would sell for $49,000. Although this idea might only be a reality starting the coming year or even later than that, but the Tesla idea of having battery storage is no doubt going to break traditional utilities' hold on people forever. This would now mean that the price of electricity would now depend solely on how much energy you produce compared to how much you can consume at any time. In addition, the battery storage will be contained inside the Tesla house. And if we guessed right, this will finally mean that Elon and Tesla at large are gradually setting people on a new scale of utility freedom. So what do you think of the Tesla house? Do you think it's impressive, thoughtful, or maybe just a waste of ideas? Perhaps are you thinking the new battery storage coming ahead would pose a threat to humanity in years to come? Let us know in the comment section. And please do not forget to share this video or show it to your friend. Thanks for watching.